Hi everyone, it's Allison here. We just wanted to give you a quick overview of some of the features of the Blackboard Collaborate software we're going to be using, so you'll be able to use it when you need to. So the first thing you're going to want to do is check your audio settings. And to do that, you go into the upper left-hand corner and start the audio setup wizard. And you'll see that it gives you a whole series of options. I'm not going to go through them, but you'll test your microphone, you'll make sure it's working. So you should make sure you can do this, or make sure to do this, so that your microphone will be working and you'll be able to hear. Now the next thing you're going to want to pay attention to are these buttons below your name. Because here you can use an emoticon if you want to say I'm feeling really happy. If you're feeling confused, you can just sort of share your impression of what's going on. The other useful thing, if you need to be away, you can click on away and we'll know that you're not there. If you want to say something, you can raise your hand, we'll call on you, and then you can hit the talk button and talk. Notice that a blue microphone appeared there. So that tells me it's my turn to talk. The important thing to remember is once you've raised your hand and spoken, turn that off so there's no blue microphone. And in case we ask you to respond to a question, this is where you do that. You can respond yes, no, I don't know, etc. If you have a question, the easiest thing to do is type it into the chat window. Help! I'm confused. That way, we'll see it. And it's probably a little bit faster than raising your hand. If you want to interact with the slides that we're showing, you can do things such as point to a particular area of interest by picking this pointer. You can also type should you need to, and you can switch between a text box and a text typing. So if you want to type whatever you want to type, good to go. You can also use the highlighter. So you'll see this pencil. If you click on it and hold it, you'll get a highlighter. So if you want to call attention to something on the screen, you can highlight that. Similarly, if for some reason you want to underline something, you can do that. So those are ways that you can draw our attention to particular aspects of the page that you have a question about. That's really the main gist of this. If you're using the iPad or the iPhone, it's actually a little bit more intuitive. You'll see these same buttons, but they're just a little clearer because there's not so much other stuff going on. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or problems, feel free. You can email us, Allison, 1L, at lawschooltoolbox.com. And the same with Lee at, we won't bother typing it out, lawschooltoolbox.com. So if you have any questions or problems, definitely just let us know, and we would be happy to help, and we look forward to talking with you soon.